Is there anything else that you as a technician and the team has to do to this car to make it actually track worthy? They probably would. That's the whole point of bringing these cars to the CMS Experience, is to test them out. So we'll see how these things do. All right, final day. Today is the day that the Chargers get on track. So stoked. It was a long journey to take delivery, put 500 break-in miles.
Alright.
Everything's being set up and prepped. And the Chargers finally, after 2 long days of breaking them in, taking delivery, trying to push out those 500 miles, brake flush, new brake pads, and new rubber. Finally, they get on track. We're just kind of shaking them down, and yeah, hopefully AJ and I can get into them as well. What do you think? He's practice panning.
Yeah, you got to get the angle just right. There's a couple, not everything's sharp, but when you just get the speed just right. Yeah, I hope we can get into some warm-ups.
And hopefully I can get in one and experience it for myself. So should be a good time.
Testing this with everything on except for paddle shift because we're having some shifting timing issues. It might just because of the shortness of the track, but you'll feel the lag. You'll feel it. It's on that little back straight back there. It should be shifting quicker, but it's not. It's like putting the supercharger into a clutch mode. It pulls boost out and it's waiting and waiting, and then it shifts. So this one's doing it. We don't know if it's a programming issue or if it's a this one specifically. So Brian's gonna test the silver one when we're done, or when he's done messing with the McLaren, while we're throwing both out there. That's what this day is mostly about, to figure this stuff out. But right now we're in 707 because 707 is the only way we can get into sport trans mode.
That's sick.
If we go here, it turns it to street, and you can't. It says no. You can't even get it to sport. So we're here. It feels good. It's okay. It's just a matter of just really trying to figure it out. We may have to leave it in 500 and just deal with the street trans. We'll see. All that stuff stays on. That's nice. This stuff works really well. The paddle shift might get you around the weird shifting, but I don't know if. I don't know. We'll see.
A lot more dust in this.
Just gonna let him go. Crazy? Too late.
Yeah.
It's super stable.
Yeah, does it just mean it feel better than the
yeah, it feels better than the Challenger.
Yeah.
It's not as twitchy and spinny.
Yeah.
See how quickly we caught up? The thing is, I can even put it down into 500, right? With all this stuff on, we'll let him go.
You can change it on the fly?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a lot more of a car, but 500 you can actually have a little bit more fun with it, I think.
Yeah.
But it's still doing that transmission searching in that one spot though. But that's just this track too. This might be like the best and worst place to test it. Yeah, certainly testing it for its weak points is good here. But for its limitations, this is not the place to test it. Fantastic, actually.
Yeah. honest, because with the Challenger, it was just like, it felt like the sway, or I don't know. Last time I was on here, I was with Mental.
Yeah, Mental's a little crazy though.
It's in the name.
No, it's very confidence inspiring in the best way.
Yeah.
Like the GT500 inspires confidence negatively.
Yes.
This inspires confidence truthfully.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Oh man, the GT500 feels like a light switch.
Yeah.
Rough.
Cool though, right?
Oh yeah, I like that. I like it a lot.
I appreciate it, dude.
The closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Airport. There's a time change here. It's 1 hour behind, so the local time is 9:34.
Good times. We'll see you back in the office on Monday.
Good weekend.
You too. And just like that, AJ and I made it back to Chicago. Ed and Travis are still in Charlotte working out the rest of the weekend because they are fleet tech, so they need to be there for the duration of the experience in Charlotte. Unfortunately, during the testing stages of the new lead cars, when the Hellcats were on track, they performed wonderfully. That's a given. They're crazy powerful sedans, but there was an oversight, and that's the problem with, you know, being pioneers and doing this, you know, before everyone else. We do run into issues that we do have to resolve because of the heating elements in the rear seats of the Charger Hellcats. The seats are too high, so when passengers sit in the back, their helmets are touching the glass, and that's a big safety issue. The techs have to kind of remedy that. I don't know how they're going to do it, whether that be swap out the seats in the back for non-heating element seats. Huge safety issue, because if we're ripping down the track with passengers and the helmets are rubbing up against the back glass, you know, that's prone to crack, and that's no good. So stay tuned to see how we remedy that issue. And yeah, epic adventure with Xtreme and the guys, Ed, Travis, and AJ, of taking delivery of our 2 brand new Charger Hellcat new lead cars, which leads me into this. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this kind of thing, behind the scenes and shenanigans with the team, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. We're planning on doing this quite regularly, so if you do like it, let us know. And for now, that's all we've got, and stay tuned for future videos. All right. All right, big day today at Xtreme Xperience. For those that don't, all right, big. This is great. All right, one last.
I can't even go inside because he locked the car on me and I can't get my mask.
And if they wanna throw shade, yeah, they can sit in the shadows.
All All right, so we're here at Charlotte. Yeah, too much.
That was good. That was good. You keep it rolling.
Cut that out.